Steam allows you to gift games to people on your friends list. That is, you pay for them yourself, but they end up in your friend's library. So how exactly do you do that? Well, we'll go over that in today's video. Once you have picked out the game you want to gift, then just click on add to cart like you normally would. And then you see this little window pop up. Where it says for my account, you want to click on that and change it over to this is a gift. From there, you can continue shopping or go to your basket if you've picked up all the games you want. On this next page, you want to click on select gift recipient and then select which friend is going to be getting this game. Once you've done that, you'll also be able to include a note as well as also schedule if you want it to arrive instantly or arrive at a certain time. Then just click on continue to payment on the right hand side and you can check out like you normally would. Now you can also do this from the mobile Steam app if you have it installed on your mobile device. So let's go over that as well. It is pretty much the same once you are there. Simply just tap on add to cart on the item you want to purchase. And then once again, change this little drop down from for my account to this is a gift. Then once you're done, tap on view my cart and you'll be taken to checkout. Then select continue to gift options and then select gift recipient. You will see the exact same options as before, where you can include a message, add a custom signature, and also schedule when you want the delivery to be. Then just tap on continue to payment. So that is exactly how you can gift games on Steam. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.